we're doing a thread lift with the new Infinity thread. This patient is probably the second patient in the state of Kentucky who will get this procedure. The thread is 4-inch in length with 18 gauge in diameter. This is the way the thread will look. It has a blunt end. I will be creating shortly a port of entry with 18 gauge needle, and then I will insert my thread, trying to just create cabling effect to pull hair face such way. This will also create with time, the thread is embedded with the PDO material that will create collagen growth. The effect will last probably around 18 to 24 months. And again, this is the newest FDA approved thread on the market. She's the second patient in the state of Kentucky who will get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and create my port of entry with the 18 gauge needle.
Felt that a little bit.
You felt it a little bit?
A little bit, mm-hmm.
Probably because maybe the anesthesia or the lidocaine is fading on this side. But you didn't feel it on the other side?
No.
None?
Mm-mm. And this just felt like a little prick.
Okay. So, you may bleed a little bit, but it's not a big deal. The bleeding will stop shortly. And then, okay, so I'm pushing my thread in the track I had drawn on her skin. And the tip is right there. Then I will push the end of the thread a little bit in, so I can engage it. I can feel the thread at the tip of my thumb right there. I'm pulling out the thread, and I'll show you how, when I engage it, how strong of cabling effect it will create. So I'm engaging it right there. And now, when I pull, you see? So I will continue to engage it. And then I will cut the end of the thread. So when you pull, you see how strong it is? It's very, very strong comparing to the old barb 4 and barb 5 threading. I will cut it, and nobody will even notice that she had the procedure today. That's all.